Elephant in the room. Elephant in the room. It can also be said as gorilla in the room. Gorilla in the room. It's an idiom. It means a serious problem that everyone is aware of but chooses to ignore. People try not to talk about it. In other words, an obvious problem that no one wants to discuss. If you wantedly ignore something, some problem, that is surely an elephant in the room or gorilla in the room. Let us see it in the examples. The first one, corruption is the elephant in the room that no politician is willing to talk about. It's a fact, right? In every country, in our country also, corruption is a major problem that nobody is willing to talk, especially politicians. That is the reason corruption is the elephant in the room. Second one, plagiarism is an elephant in the room that no academic wishes to discuss. Plagiarism is copying the theory from one person to other person. So illegal copying of any content is plagiarism. This is also a major problem that no academician is addressing nowadays. So that's the reason it is an elephant in the room. Third one, when Geoff arrived at the meeting yesterday, he had a huge black eye. He gave us no explanation and nobody dared ask him about it. So we sat there for the whole morning with this elephant in the room. This guy made a lot of mistakes and he came yesterday to the meeting and we all know that he made mistakes, but nobody asked him. Nobody dared to ask him. Nobody wanted to discuss those mistakes. So we sat the whole morning with this elephant in the room. Fourth one, excessive use of pesticides in agriculture is the health minister's elephant in the room. We are using excessive pesticides in the agriculture. It's a major problem in the area of agriculture and even the health minister is also not addressing that. That's the reason we said health minister's elephant in the room. Fifth one, the star player who was splashed all over the tabloids last week with another woman arrived at the TV studio with his wife on his arm. But it was like an elephant in the room for the host of the show. So entire week photos went on viral about this star player with another woman, but this week he came to the studio with his wife. And there is a great problem for the host to run the show because they made a mistake and the host is not willing to talk about the problem. That's the reason it was like an elephant in the room for the host of the show. So when we look at the origin of this idiom, elephant in the room, if an elephant were standing in your room, it would be impossible to ignore, right? We cannot. Even if gorilla stands in our room, not possible for us to ignore it. So elephant in the room is a serious problem that everyone is aware of, but nobody talks about it. Nobody is willing to discuss about the problem.